Tip 87. Superlative adjectives. Describe a thing as being at the extreme of a quality compared to a group or three or more things. Short adjectives. One syllable or two with the stress on the first syllable by adding est. Example: tall becomes tallest. Two syllables by adding est. Example: happy becomes happiest, or use most. The most happy. Adjectives with three or more syllables. Always use most. Example: expensive becomes the most expensive. Tip 87. Exercise. Complete. Rolls-Royce is the most expensive car in the world. John is the tallest boy in the team. The red skirt is the most expensive in the store. My house is the biggest in the street. I'm ever the happiest in the family. Please subscribe to the channel not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.